Wagwan, it's that guy, and welcome to your daily dose of dreadlocks. 49 days in. What? That's it, 49 days. I would suggest that these have been crocheted or backcombed at some sort, because 49 days is still pretty quick in the journey to attain something like this. At 1 month, I used a crochet hook to tighten up the locks and blunt the ends. Boom. 3 years and 4 months in. Looking fantastic. Now these locks being very unique in the sense that they are sun-kissed, sun-bleached, they are Congoed up. Got a lot of two-tail Congos happening there. And the frizz is impeccable. There is barely any frizz on this hair. 3 years, 4 months. Fire. 2 months in, loops and Congos starting to form, neatening the Congos up with hair bands to prevent birds nesting. Crazy. 2 months in and they're already starting to lock up. And it will happen pretty quick. Use some cold water, it definitely helps out. 3 months in, crochet hook method, the sun is slowly lightening them up. Big boss here. I would recommend to stop using that crochet hook from this point forward. Done no. Just got a retwist. Should I wear a do-rag or a bonnet still in the starting phase? I mean, the do-rag is going to help with laying them flat, kind of keeping in some of that frizz. But depending on your route you want to take in the future, will depend on if you need a do-rag or not. Are you going to keep on retwisting? Then yeah, go with the do-rag. Freeforming? Maybe not so much. Growing my sides back in, the top being twisted, the sides being shaved, now wanting the full head of locks. And you definitely know that having that full head of locks does make the difference in completion of the lock journey. This is cool. DIY lined a hat, blue one bought online. The black one did myself. Okay, so we got like a wool hat here with a silk lining, and then this one is a DIY. It's a great hat, but it attracts all the lint. Lined the inside of it with the silk. Nice sewing job. Hey, that's what's up. Loving the DIY style. I appreciate that majestic light. After 2.5 long months, I finally got a retwist. Tried rope twist for the first time instead of 2 strands. 10/10 recommended. Whoa, wow. Damn, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Crazy. I love the pattern that she's got going on here. Crazy. This is literally the best retwist braid up, twist up I've ever seen done. That is phenomenal. Is this budding? You could call that budding. That's like some new growth starting to lock up. That's for sure. A year difference. It's got the blue and the blonde. And after 1 year, they've gone to pink. But they look longer here. So maybe they went from pink to blue. Looking sick. Eventually, the 2-strand twists might come out in time, but eventually it would lock up, especially depending on your hair type. Now, I tried to lock up my hair with a similar routine, the 2-strand twists like this. They all unraveled on me, but maybe you'll be lucky enough and they stay in. I've got so much dandruff lately. What's the best way to take care of this? I'll do ACV rinse, but I really get dry, irritated, and itchy skin in the colder months. So I'm guessing that's what could be causing this, and assume it will be reoccurring issues. It never really been a problem before. You can see a little bit of flakage happening here. Colder months definitely does this. Drier winter air. I'm in the same position over here by the Great Lakes. Now, my absolute favorite thing to do when I get dandruff is to do an alloy treatment. I use fresh aloe because I have tons of aloe plants, but you can use stuff you buy. When my hair is dry, I just drench my scalp in aloe and let it dry. I leave it in for at least an hour before I wash it out. I swear it makes your head feel so good. If you buy aloe from Amazon, you could probably find a gallon for a good price. True, a natural remedy, aloe vera. Now, I've also recommended here using tea gel shampoo. It's worth a shot to help fight the dandruff. Also recommend a deep olive oil conditioning or coconut oil conditioning to help out. Whereas put the olive oil or the coconut oil on your head, warm it up a little bit if you want, let it sit in for an hour, then wash it out. With the tea gel. Another one here says clinical strength Head and Shoulders is the absolute best, especially for straight hair. I don't care what anyone says. It does not leave buildup, but takes all the dandruff away. I use it when I wash my dreads. My dreads are great. Interesting. People on that head and shoulders tip still. Okay, so 1 year ago, whoa, these look like they would have thickened up. Yes, look at this one right here in the front. Whoa, these are some flatty natties. Fire. I bet you that these feel like they're growing slowly just because of how wide and flat they're growing. But they're gonna look mad unique when they get older. Cut it off or wait for my next maintenance in about 1.5 months. Don't cut it, just wait. Just wait, that can be fixed. No need to bring in the scissors just yet. 27 months in, these are looking fresh. Jeez, and now they're blue. Whoa, great coloring job on those. I love that it's just half of the dread going blue, not the full dread. South African locks, stand up. Always looking fresh to death. Hammock time. Got those wispy locks. Damn, I'm envious of that hammock. I would love to get one to go camping in for next summer. Can't wait for these to get longer. Yo, they're already getting pretty lengthy, but still in that like baby dread stage because they haven't fully matured yet. So these will in fact be phenomenal when they get longer. And actually, they already look pretty phenomenal right now. Crazy interesting look that dude's got going on here. 8 months next week. Love to y'all. Crazy freeforms here as well. And these locks looking like they are being thoroughly enjoyed. Got some real big curls looking to form up into some lumpy clumpy freeform locks. Got them twists. Dreadlocks in a 2-strand twist. Pretty fire look. We've seen this done often. Guys like Lil Durk, King Von. This is an interesting look. Lil Wayne, 2 Chainz did this a lot. And here we go. I did the stranded twist March 2021. These picks start from September 21 to now. I'll find some of my starters. I retwist once every 3 to 4 months or whenever I feel like it. Peace from Cleveland. Ooh, we got a lot of pictures here. Crazy. So what's that? 3 retwists a month. 3 retwists a year. It's a good amount. It allows for his locks to have time to really thicken up. Not be so tight to the scalp on a daily basis. Fire look here. It reminds me of Denzel Curry a little bit. Very interesting journey. And this is only a year or so in. Man's been blessed with the great head of locks early in the stage. And we got here August 21 today. So this is about a year and 3-month, 4-month journey. Decided to go ahead and freeform them a few days ago. Headband with the dread fro. Beautiful fro going on here. Crazy curl pattern. That is gorgeous. And of course, this is coming in from a shaved head. This is fantastic right here. These are gonna be some epic dread fro locks in no time at all. Love the fro. I miss my fro quite a bit. Quite a bit. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Stay happy, stay natty, and if you enjoyed this content, please hit that subscribe button on our road to 150,000 followers.